Awesome. All right, wait for the car. Wait. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Oh no.
Is that better? And I said yes.
That was a good turn, Molly. You turned, you went heel side. Good job. You're doing good on that thing. You gotta get you some snowboard lessons.